Official genuine Honda seat. If you're watching this, either someone found the footage or we're perfectly fine. We have new brakes. Alright, I'm gonna need that. We only had a gallon of gas to work with and we were thinking maybe that would be enough, but the fuel pump isn't really sucking it all in, so we gotta just go get some fuel. All right, let's see it. Here we go.
Dude.
Okay.
She runs.
She runs. First run.
Congratulations.
Those medical pills are push me over. I kill my fill 3 times a day. These ethanol fuels won't make me sober. One flame to take the pain away. I caught you lighting matches in the back room. Haters look mad when they pass you. Let's talk about round when it's past due. Reach a glass, dude, no. You don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone.
Guys, this is an official genuine Honda seat. So if you see me rolling around in this, just mind your business, all right? I got nice seats and all here. All right, starting my car. Wow, that clutch really does go down. Yeah, it's not pushing it's not fully disengaging the clutch. When you push the clutch, it's going halfway to the floor before it even does anything. All right, we got that ironed out. Take 2. Well, yeah.
Yo, Todd.
How do you like it, Todd?
Feels great. I'm really loving this luxury. I'm really loving this luxury seat we got going on here. Plus, the headlights are almost as good.
Yeah.
And that fender vibration is just as nice. I think there's like a bolt and a half holding that on. We're gonna try to take this thing for a drive, so let's see. Should we take them with us?
Yeah.
All right, let's take it with us. All right, guys. If you're watching this, either someone found the footage or we're perfectly fine. Oh, I did not stall it. I thought I was gonna stall, but we didn't. Guys, just so you know, this literally is a private road that we're on here, and there actually is a street light coming up ahead. Let's see what we got here. I can't believe we're taking this thing out. This is so awesome. Let me turn the wipers on. Oh, wait.
So dark.
This really is advanced darkness.
Oh my god. So dark.
We have new brakes.
Okay.
There we go. we had this seat brake, which is why we're here. So, like I said earlier, the idle air control is a little messed up, so when you drop the clutch in, it stalls. But it starts right back up. Will it idle? No?
missing it?
Yeah, probably. Well, good thing we got an airbag.
What? Congrats, Todd.
Yeah.
You survived.
All right, it's probably gonna shut off. Oh, okay. Stayed running. Didn't slam into the Aston Martin. We're calling this a win tonight. All right, now let's see if there are any surprises under the hood. Because, like I said, we're really low on power. Do you guys like our makeshift seat? we got this moving blanket and some antifreeze. Thank you, sir. Still running, not overheating. That's very good. We're still really down on power, though. There's clearly something wrong with it for sure. I mean, look at it. Look, there's so much stuff not hooked up. So, I mean, of course it's gonna run not good. Like, it barely even wants to stay on. So, you can do it. You can do it. There we go. Alright guys, so it doesn't sound that bad, but I can barely keep it running. Here, I'm just gonna let it stall. Oh, okay. So yeah, it doesn't really want to stay running all that well. It doesn't run all that well when it does. It's low on power, but it looks like we got a good set of values here, or at least decent. So I'm just willing to bet some of the vacuum lines are off. So at this point, I'm gonna start putting the cart back together, start cleaning it up, and we're gonna save some of that engine stuff for another day. But to know that it runs and it starts up every time, that's definitely a step in the right direction here. So I'm really liking the way things are heading with this car. But yeah, if you guys like what you saw in today's video and you want to see more on the S2000, definitely give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate that. This little sponsor series here is sponsored by me, actually. Yeah, I don't have a sponsor for this one. It's just me doing all this, and well, I'm having a lot of fun doing it. So see you guys next week.